Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP to Trust Wallet and then how to convert it to Smart Chain. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the deposit tab on the home page and then tap on deposit crypto. After that, you need to search for XRP from this list. For that, you can use the search bar in the top and then you will have to type XRP. Now once you have found XRP, you simply need to tap on its icon and then you will be prompted that you need to choose a network. So you will be given a bunch of different networks to choose from. So for this video, I'm going to select it as Ripple. Once you have selected, you are going to see the XRP's QR code and the deposit address. So you just have to copy this address from here and then you just have to launch your Trust Wallet. Now once you are in your Trust Wallet's homepage, you will have to scroll down and then tap on XRP. If you are not able to find XRP in this list, then you can use the search bar in the top and then you just have to type XRP in the search bar. Over here, you will have to tap on receive and then you will have to tap on deposit from exchange option in the bottom. After that, you need to select it as Binance and then it will redirect you on Binance, where you will be asked to enter the amount of XRP that you want to transfer to your Trust Wallet. So you just have to enter the amount and then you need to press confirm in the bottom. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until the transfer is complete, and once it is completed, you can go to your Trust Wallet in order to see whether it is received or not. Now once you have enough amount of XRP in your Trust Wallet, now is the time to convert it to Smart Chain. In order to do so, you will have to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then you need to scroll down and tap on Pancake Swap. Once you have done that, you will be redirected over here, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your wallet, and after selecting it, you will have to first select it as XRP. So you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and then use the search bar in order to search for XRP. Now after selecting XRP, you will have to select Smart Chain in the second option. So you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and then use the search bar in order to search for BNB. After that, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer and then you need to tap on swap. Once done, you just have to wait for some time until it is swapping, and after that it will convert your XRP to BNB Smart Chain. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.